First, second and third, we are selling, selling, sold. Make sure that winning bid is to you. Through the Galley Capel sound, let's have a walk through. This cute 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, recently renovated home, whether it's your first, your next, that investment, or that holiday house you've been looking for, you're gonna love summers here. 500 meters to the beach, this one's for entertaining. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. Well, there you have it, buyers. What a beautiful home we have here. I'm James Strange from Buxton Real Estate, and I'll see you at one of our open for inspections.